Hello everybody and welcome back to this tutorial, and right now let's see how we can install our tool that we are going to need for our man-in-the-middle attack. First of all, what I'm going to do, since I already have it, I'm going to navigate through my desktop directory, and right here I'm going to delete the man-in-the-middle framework. Right here, clear the screen, and right now we're going to follow the steps together in order to install this tool. So open up your Firefox first of all. Once it opens up, all you need to type is MITMf, press your enter, and this will lead you to a page where you simply just want to click on the first link, which is the GitHub link. And this is a link to the actual tool that we are going to download. And instead of most of the previous tools that we actually downloaded from here, which only consisted of simply just copying the link and typing git clone in the terminal command, we need to scroll all the way down and pass all of these things that comes with the tool and go to the installation right here. Once you find this here, click on this link. Please refer to the wiki for installation instructions. Click on installation instructions, and down here you will have the installation instructions for different types of Linuxes. For example, on Arch Linux you can simply just do this. On Debian and different types, such as for example Ubuntu, Mint, or so on and so on. As well as Kali Linux, as we can see right here, which is what we are interested in, we follow the steps below. So first step would be to actually install this. So copy the command, copy right here. We will make this window smaller so we can see everything really well. Paste this right here, and this will take a few seconds. As you can see, for me everything is already installed because I already installed it previously. Right after this command finishes and you install everything successfully, you want to go to the next command if you want to. For example, the next command would be this pip install virtual environment wrapper, and then these few other commands that are actually aimed towards the virtual environment. They're not needed. For example, they're only needed if you want to run the MITMf from every directory you want. So for now on, we are going to skip this. If you want to, you can simply just perform these commands and these instructions as well, but we are currently not interested in. The next command that we are interested in is simply just the git clone command onto the MITMf. So right here, copy this command, which is git clone, and then the link to the tool itself. Then press here paste, and right here, once you press here enter, you will see that the tool will install itself onto our desktop environment. Now if you're in a different environment, it will simply install it right there. Because I'm currently in the directory, which is a desktop directory, it is also right here on my desktop. Once you perform that, you want to scroll all the way down, copy this command, paste it right here, wait for that to finish, and after it you all only want to do is to install the actual requirements, which I have already installed, but simply just copy the command, type it right here, pip install -r requirements. It will install everything that is needed. As we can see right here, for me it says requirement already satisfied, and it says that for everything. And once you perform that, you can simply just run the MITMf framework by typing this command right here. Once you copy the command, we can successfully close the window, clear the screen, and simply just type right here, paste, and it will open up the actual help menu, which prompts us with different options that we have available for our man-in-the-middle tool. So right here you can see there is quite a lot of options, and we're going to cover some of them. Of course, if you want to, you can cover all of them by yourself and experiment with different types of options. Now some of them don't work. Some of them work sometimes, so this will be the case mostly with every tools we actually use. They are not always the best working tools, but they are what we have right now, and they are what we're going to work with. This is one of the better tools for the man-in-the-middle attacks, as it comes with a bunch of different options that you can actually perform simply just by specifying them in a one simple command. So that would be about it for the installation process. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and we will continue with our first attack in the next tutorial. Hope I see you there, and take care. Bye.